Hi students, today let's study the continuation of data handling, that is double bar graph. At the end of this module, you will be able to understand the construction of double bar graph, drawing of double bar graph. Double bar graphs help to compare two collections of data at a glance. We have to mark two datas in a single way, that is double bar graph. Let's move to first question. Sale of English and Hindi books in the year 1995, 1996, 1997 and 1998 are given below. Here you can see a table. Then in that table, years are marked and English and Hindi books are marked. That is the variation you can see here. We have to draw a double bar graph according to this information. Draw a double bar graph and answer the questions. Two questions are also there according to this table. Let's move to that questions. In which year does the difference in the sale of two language books least? Least means minimum. First, we have to find the difference in each year. Here you can see the difference. Difference means we subtract the numbers. English and Hindi books. 1995, 500 minus 350, that is 150 books. 1996, 125 books. 1997, 150 books. 1998, 30 books. Then in which year the difference is minimum, least, that is clearly we know 1998. Then we have to move the construction of double bar graph. Here you can see the table, years, English books and Hindi books. Two datas are here. First we draw vertical line, then horizontal line. Then here numbers, you see the numbers 350, 500, 525, 400 just like. So we select the scale as 1 centimeter equal to 100 books. Our graph book is small, so we have to select big numbers. 1 centimeter equal to 100 books. Just like you mark, then 100, 200, 300, 400, just like up to 700. Then on vertical line books are marked, on horizontal line years are marked. Then start. First English books, how many? 350. You cannot see 350 here, but between 300 and 400, the middle of 300 and 400 is 350, just like you mark. Then Hindi books 500, correct, 500. Then we write below this in which year? 1995. Then there is one point below the scale. You can see scale 1 centimeter equal to 100 books. Here you can see two bars are there. So yellow box indicates English books and red color bar indicates Hindi books. So below the scale, we have to write this also in double bar graph. One small box with a yellow color that indicates English books, and the next rectangle red color Hindi books. Okay, then move to next data. 1996, 400 you can see, 525. 525 is after 500, the second line is 520. Third line is 530. So 520, between 520 and 530, you can see 525. So you approximately mark 525. Then write 1996. Next 1997, 450 and 600. Then 1997, 1998, 620. Above 600, the second line is 620 and 650. This is the method of constructing double bar graph. Let's move to second question. Consider this data collected from a survey of a colony. Favorite sports, you can see 5 favorite sports: cricket, basket, swimming, hockey and athletics. Then watching and participating. Watching and participating means the number of people who liked watching, the number of people who liked participating. Bigger numbers are there. Draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale. That we have to do. Then second question, which sports is most popular? From this data we can see which sports is most popular. Cricket. So many people are watching and participating the sports cricket. Then the third question, which is more preferred, watching or participating in sports? Which is more preferred? We have to see from the data, watching is more preferred. So many people are watching, not participating. So let's construct the double bar graph. We draw the vertical line, then horizontal line. Bigger numbers are there, so we choose the scale as 1 centimeter equal to 200 people. 200 people. You can select 100. If you have space in your graph book, you have to use 100 people also. Here we have to mark like this: 200, 400, 600, 1200. One more point is there, 1400. Later you can see it. Then number of people, favorite sports. First, watching cricket, watching 1240. You cannot see 100, 2040. You can see 1200. Then below 1002, between 1200 and 1400. Next number is 1400. Between this, the middle number is 1300. Then 1240 is below 1300. From your graph paper you can see it very clearly. Then participating is 620, above 600 and below 700. Okay, then you write there cricket. Then basketball 470. Here you can see the red color is watching and green color is participating. 470. How will we mark 470? 470 you can see here. 400 and 600. Between 400 and 600, the middle value is 500. So 470 is approximately to 500, that is below 500, and participating is 320, like this 320. Then the third one is swimming. Swimming is 570. 570 is closer to 600 and 320 same. Basketball 320 same in swimming. Then next hockey 430. 430 is above 400 and below 500. Then 250. 250 you can see 200 here. Then 400. Between 200 and 400, 300 is there. So 250. Next athletics. 250 the same number, and 105, a small bar is there, 105. So this is the method of constructing double bar graph. We have one more question. Let's see the last question. Mark of 5 students are given below. Represent the data on a bar graph. We have to see the 5 students mark in quarterly exam and half yearly exam. Let's move to the construction. Here you can see the the table. Then first draw vertical line, then horizontal line. Here you can take 1 centimeter equal to 4 students or 1 centimeter equal to 2 students. No problem. Here we take 4 students, then mark. Then numbers are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. Students and marks. First is 10. 10 you cannot see 10. Then between 8 and 12, the middle value is 10. 8 and 12. The middle value is 10. 10 and 15. 15 below 16 is 15. Then which student is Adish? Then black color is quarterly and yellow color is half yearly. Next Aman. Aman got 15, the same as yellow bar. Then 18. 18 is middle of 16 and 20. Middle of 16 and 20, 18. Next Kavya. 12. 12 very clearly we can see 12 and 16. Clearly you can see 16. Then next Rida. Rida 20. Clearly the correct value is the 21. Below 20. Below 20. The between 20 and 24, the middle value is 22. Our value is 21. So below 22. Then 9. 9. You cannot see 9 here. 8 is here. Above 8 is 9. Then 15. 16 is there. Below 16 is 50. Okay. This is the method of construction of double bar graph. You see the video 2 or more times. Then clearly you can understand how we construct double bar graph. Okay. Thank you.